Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to episode 2 of 4 Minute Wednesday. Today we're going to be talking about what modifications you should do to your car, whether it's a £30,000 car or whether it's a £3,000 car. And the modifications I'm going to be talking about are going to be all about, effective modifications, not like massive rings and what have you, but effective modifications that you should do that make you look back to your car when you've parked it up. So yeah, let's get straight into it. And obviously guys, I'm sat on my usual staircase just because. So the first modification and effective modification that you should do to any of your cars is, in my opinion, if you want it to drive a bit better, have it lowered and have it spaced out. You can get any kind of setup on these. You can go and you can get H&R springs, you can go get IBAC springs, KW springs, or whatever. There is a massive market out there, guys. And honestly, I've done that to my M140i and it drives brilliantly. It transforms the car, it makes the car sit a bit lower. And when you just park it up and you kind of look back at it, you just feel like taking your camera out. And what you shouldn't do though is have your springs cut. I remember back in the 90s, people used to, rather than lowering them, they used to actually cut the actual springs, and that was quite dangerous, guys. The second modification I think that you should do to your car is apply a nice little spoiler to your car if you really want it to kind of stand out from the crowd. I'm not going on about massive rings or anything like that, just an effective little spoiler that just make your car stand out a little bit. And when you park your car up and you look back at it and you see that 3/4 view, honestly, it'll make your car look quite nice and you'll be really pleased with it. The third modification, guys, that you should do to your car is, if you want more noise out of your car but you can't afford to go and have a massive kind of spend on a full catback system on your car, then just have a res delete done. The best thing about it, it's pretty much warranty friendly, unless obviously your exhaust falls off and you're not going to be able to make a claim on that. But it's generally quite warranty friendly, and I don't think it affects any kind of MOT failures or anything like that, because it's just literally a straight pipe. Could be wrong, guys, do your own research, but personally I think that's a worthy upgrade to do. The fourth modification I think people should do to their car, if you want a bit more street cred, etc. I think if you get a nice set of aftermarket alloy wheels, depending on the car that you have. Again, don't go crazy on them and get pink ones or anything like that. If pink is your colour of choice, then obviously do it. Generally, guys, there's a vast aftermarket supply of alloy wheels, the types of designs and what have you, and I'm sure you'll be able to get something along those lines. What have you on, guys? 4 or 5? So the next modification that you should do, is that 4 or was it 5? I think it's 5. You probably should detail your car out a little bit. So for example, if you've got a BMW, you should put on definitely black kidney grills. If you've got a Merc, get rid of the chrome. I really don't like the chrome, just de-chrome the whole thing. If you've got a Ford Fiesta or what have you, then for any other cars that you might have, you might just want to colour coordinate. So if you've got a white car, you might want to put like black stripes around it here and there, I don't know. But there's, again, you can have a look around it and just make your car unique to yourself. Right, another effective mod that you can do to your car, if you've got some money sort of left over from your little kitty of modifications, if you want a little bit more sound, you should just put in a performance air filter, whether that's a K&N one or whether it's an ITG or whatever. This video has not been promoted by any of those companies, but if you want a little bit more airflow, I've done it to my previous 2 cars. So my current M140, I was running a pipe across filter, I have no issues with that. My previous Honda Civic Type R, I had a panel filter fitted into that car, which was absolutely fine. That was a K&N filter, and it just extracted a little bit more kind of airflow coming out. It doesn't cost a lot of money, in the region of about 30 to 50 quid depending on the product, and it just extracts a little bit more engine sound out of the car, and it really makes your car feel a little bit more special to everyday kind of use. So guys, hopefully you found this video entertaining, informative and the rest. Give this video a like if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and hopefully guys, I'll see you on the next one. Take care, thanks for watching, and like I say, check me out on my Instagram, which will be dropped around here somewhere. Take care guys, bye, see you.